You are watching this video right now, and perhaps somewhere deep inside you, a wish, a dream, an unfulfilled desire is beating softly in your chest. It is possible that you have not told it to anyone. It is possible that you have hidden it from yourself as well. But whatever is, it is, and as long as it is there will be restlessness within you. Today I want to tell you one thing, and this is what will keep you connected with this entire video. The thing that you want with all your heart can come to you, but the condition is that you learn to desire in the right way. People say ask, speak, shout. But the real way to communicate with this universe is neither noise nor hurry. The real way is to desire silently. And when you start desiring silently with full intensity, then the whole universe listens. Then that thing starts coming closer to you. This is the thing you have to understand today. And if you understand this, then not only will your desires be fulfilled, but your whole life will change. So you are requested to watch this video till the end and feel every word within you. See, this world is full of noise. People say speak, tell, prove. But the truth is that the universe works with energy, not words. When you nurture your desire from within with peace, without complaint and without noise, then that desire turns into a vibration. And this is the law of vibration. The vibration you spread, the same vibration comes back. If you spread the vibration of fear, doubt, and impatience, then the universe will also send the same things. But if you keep silent and keep wishing with complete faith and belief, then this vibration becomes so powerful that the universe has no choice but to open the way for you. People often ask me, but I asked a lot, still I did not get anything. I just tell them this. You did ask, but how did you ask? Did you ask while being afraid? Did you ask in doubt? Did you ask repeatedly by shouting and believing inside that perhaps it is not possible? Then how will you get it? The rule in the universe is very simple. If you stay silent and desire deeply with faith and then let go, things start coming to you on their own. Because when you make noise, you disturb the vibration. When you remain silent, you make the vibration stable and strong. Have you ever seen someone deeply desire something? If you throw a stone in the water of a pond, waves spread in the water and things are not visible clearly. But if the same pond is calm, then the picture inside it also becomes clear. The same thing happens with your soul. If you make noise, hurry, complain, then you will not give that water, and then the reflection of that desire will also become blurred. But when you become calm and just keep wanting from within, keep believing, then the universe listens clearly. It creates paths for you just like a lamp slowly lights the path in the darkness. Today, if you have a deep desire, then do just this. Keep it in your heart, peacefully. Think about that desire for a few minutes every day, but do not complain, do not hurry. Just keep it within and live it with every step of yours. The more intensely you want it, the faster the universe will work for you. This is not a mere imagination. This is a deep rule which is also called quantum entanglement and frequency matching in science. Situations and people come into your life according to your energy. If you are calm and determined towards your desire from within, then opportunities are created accordingly. But if you are in fear and doubt, then the paths also get tangled. This is the reason why great sadhaks and sages always practice silence, because silence makes vibrations stable. If the vibration is stable, then your desire will also be stable, and stable desire is the biggest power in the law of the universe. So the next time you want something, say it within yourself before saying it to anyone. Experience it within yourself. Create its picture in your eyes. Feel gratitude for it, as if you have already received it. And then become silent. Trust that the universe will now work in its own way, and believe me, it will do it. You may not understand its ways right now. But later, when you look back, you will find that whatever happened happened for you only. Because when you remain silent and want with full intensity, then you connect your soul and the universe together. And when the soul and the universe become one, then miracles happen. And this is the miracle I want you to experience in your own life. Not in noise, but in silence. Not in fear, but in faith. Not in impatience, but in patience. Now stop for a moment and think. Have you wished for your desires in this way till now, or have you always asked for them in haste, nervousness, and with complaints? If you did so, then change from now itself. Bring a deep and stable peace within yourself, and nurture your dreams in that. You will see that everything will start changing gradually. Paths will start getting created. People will start changing. Opportunities will start getting created. And when everything will take shape in front of you, then you yourself will say that it was not the noise but my silence that wrote my destiny. So, if you really want to write your destiny yourself, then learn the art of this silence from now itself, and trust that the universe knows its work. Your job is just to tell it with all your intensity, and then become silent. If these things are touching your heart, then do not stop this video right here. We will go deeper ahead, and you will get the answer to all your questions. And yes, if you believe that these things should reach someone's heart, then give this video a like right now, and write in the comment section what you want to desire with full intensity by remaining silent. Whatever desire you have within you is not a coincidence. No wish is born within you just like that. It is a dialogue between you and the universe which you often do not understand. Just as a seed has a complete plan of becoming a tree already inside it, similarly the ability to fulfill it is hidden within every wish of yours. But that seed also needs the right soil, water, and patience. It is not dug up again and again to see if the sprout has come out or not. It works silently inside the ground, and when its time comes, it comes out tearing the soil with all its might. The same happens with your desires. Whatever you desired has been sown inside you like a seed. Now nurture it inside you. Pour the water of faith on it every day. Express gratitude for it every night, and then give it time. That sprout will never come out by making noise, complaining, digging it out again and again. People say, I want it quickly. But have you ever asked the sun to rise quickly? Have you ever asked the flowers to bloom overnight? Then why do you do this with your desires? Remember, only those who do not believe want quickly, and those who believe just wait. Silence and patience does not mean that you do not do anything. Silence means that you remain stable from within towards your desire and take every step that is in your control. But do not be anxious about the result. Understand it like this. Suppose you shoot an arrow. Now, after releasing the arrow, if you keep waving your hands and legs in the air in panic, then the arrow will not return. It will reach its target. But if at that very moment you fill yourself with fear that you will not know whether you will hit or not, maybe it will not hit. Maybe the wind will blow. Then you will spoil that energy due to which the arrow had taken direction. Your desires will also. This is exactly how things work. Whatever you desire, shoot it into the universe like an arrow, and then feel its resonance within you. Live it every day. Silence does not mean that you become inactive. Silence means that you spend your energy in the right direction. Do the work that is in your hands. Trust what is in the hands of the universe. This is the thing that gives you inner peace. Otherwise, people keep making noise throughout their lives, and their inner vibrations get so scattered that neither they can hear themselves nor the universe can hear them. Have you ever seen children? When they ask for something, they cry for a while, but then they calm down by trusting that their parents will bring it for them. They do not ask again and again. Where is it? Why didn't you get it? They believe it. You also have to have this faith. But we were not taught in childhood that silence is also a language. This is what we were taught. Speak, run, shout. That is why our desires also drown in the noise. But from now on, sow the seed of silence within you. From now on, nurture your desire and peace. From now on, know that what you have asked for is on the way. You just have to remain steady. It is not easy to understand the power of silence, but the one who understood it became the master of life. Let me tell you a story. A man always complained, "When will my prayers be answered? I prayed in the temple day and night. I told everyone what I wanted, but I did not get anything." Then one day a sadhu saw him and said, "You make noise even when you ask, and when you don't get it, you make noise too. Your noise is so much that you cannot hear your own voice. Then how will the universe hear you? That day, that man took to silence, and in a few months, all his prayers started getting fulfilled. Why? Because he stopped disturbing the vibrations. He allowed that pond to remain calm so that the picture could be seen clearly. Today, I request you to do the same. Trust yourself. Trust the universe. Trust silence. If there is any fear within you, let it go. If there is any doubt, leave it. From now on, just start wishing silently, with full intensity, with full devotion, and then let the universe do its work. And yes, keep thanking the universe in between, as if you have already received that thing. Believe me, when you create a confluence of silence and gratitude within yourself, miracles are bound to happen. When you wish silently, you not only nurture your desire, but you also create yourself. Because silence is not just an act, it is a state of your soul. A state where you cut yourself off from the outside world and connect with the inner world, and this is where the real miracles begin. Today, if you feel that the world is not listening to you, people are not understanding you, the circumstances are against you, then this is the opportunity to be silent. This is the time to be silent. It is time to put your energy in the right place. This is the time to wish silently. The desire within you and the universe outside you. These two have never been separate. What is inside is outside. What you think happens, and what you ask from within with full intensity and faith never goes in vain. You must have seen that when a lamp extinguishes, it burns brightly a few moments before. Similarly, when your circumstances seem the most difficult, even then, do not lose faith. Maybe it is clearing the way for your wish. Maybe the universe is still busy with its work. Out of your sight, but with full dedication. All you have to do is not let that lamp inside you extinguish. All you have to do is keep faith in the picture inside. All you have to do is not break the silence inside. When you remain silent with full devotion, that peace in itself becomes a prayer, and such a prayer is never ignored. Never. Now, if you really want your inner wishes to be heard, if you really want your life to take a new direction, then start today. To wish silently, to wish with all your heart, and then to let the universe do its work. Believe me, one day you will be surprised to see your own life. You will say that the day I stopped making noise, the universe started speaking, and this will be the moment when you will realize that everything was always working for you. You just had to stop for a while and listen. So decide today itself. From now on, nurture every wish in this silence. Live every desire with full faith. See every dream with the belief that the universe will fulfill it, and then see how miracles kiss your feet. Your journey has now begun. And remember, you are not alone. The universe is listening to your every vibration. Your every dream has been recorded in the book of the universe. Now it is your turn to wish silently with all your heart, and then leave it to its own fate. If this entire journey has stirred your heart, if you have felt the power of this silence, then like this video now, write in the comment. Now I would like with all sincerity that you remain silent and join this channel Dhyan Chetna and become a part of such deep journeys, because by the next time we meet, the pond inside you will have become more calm and the picture of your desires will start appearing clearly on its surface. May your day be pure and peaceful, and may your desires be fulfilled soon on this path of silence. Be patient, be silent, and just see how the universe creates miracles for you. If something has awakened inside you after watching this video of Dhyan Chetna, then subscribe now so that your next journey is even deeper. See you soon with a new light. Thank you, friends.